So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add an indent here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word, and once you're on the home screen here, simply just before you type anything. So this, for an example, this is what this is not an indent. As you can tell, the text here starts on the left hand side of your screen where the margins are. But if you were to press and return a couple times, and then go on your keyboard and just press on tab, what this will then do is if I were to say this is an indent, it's now going to begin the sentence here with an indent. And if you were to just continue on right here, so what I'll do is I'll just copy and paste this right here a bunch of different times, just like this. And the next line, as you can tell, will be back to normal, and the indent is right here. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to add an indent here in Microsoft Word. Just remember, before you type a sentence, press on the tab button on your keyboard. Or another way you can do it as well, you just go to the top area right here, right below where it says View. You can move the indent backwards, or you can increase the indent right here and press on it this way, and it'll do the exact same thing. So this is an indent, just like that. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to add an indent here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.